Okay, so today I'm going to explain you how to use sets and tuples. So sets are like lists. So I can create to make a set I can create a variable named sets and which would equals to curly braces, and inside it I can write my values 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And now if I print sets, so to print it, watching. Now I can print the type of set, type set. Okay, so this is how I'm going to check about type sets. So if I check a type set, it would be in set, class set, you could watch. And if I want to create a tuple, so the tuple format would be, I would just add brackets instead of curly braces. And this is the format of tuple. Got it? And now for brackets, so it would be a tuple. You can watch process tuple. So this is how to create sets and tuples. And if I want to create a set or tuples, so I can do a thing. I can tell you, no, the sets and tuples are very useful. You will learn it how to use them and why there are these tuple sets and dictionaries, like too much different types of them. So I would know if you explain you in the next video. So for now I'm going to explain you how to handle errors. So if I create and take an input a equals bool input, and I ask user to enter number. So now when user will enter number, so it will give an error. So how can I handle it? So to handle an error, we use try keyword, and our indented, as I told, we show it by the indentation. Okay, so but it's highlighting why? Because if the error occurs, so what should we do? It will do nothing. So that's why what we want to do if an error occurs, so this will be in this pair. So I can did not directly write colon and print error. So even though I wrote it, so you could watch it, and number 4, so it is not giving me an error. So I would write exception. So I can write any error, but exception is the keyword which is for all errors. If any error would occur, so it would print error. So if I enter now 4, why don't it give error? Okay, let me convert it to int and enter a string. So now let me run it. Let me enter my AD. Error, you're watching? But if I don't write this exception keyword, it wouldn't print it. So it handles all error. I can write if type error. So if I write type error and now I run it, so it would also give it. You could watch it print. Okay, so it was in value error, so that's why it's give me error like this. And if I write another print statement after it, so it would be not executed. And just a simply. And now if I run it and I enter, okay, so good watch. The A wouldn't be printed, but if I divide, here should be value error, and now because it's an value error, so now if I run it, so the value error will be handled and it will print the A. Oh, the error, and it is also printing A. So this is why we need try and exception. So I could write any error name and print anything I want and do anything with the errors and deal with them. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning.